We are at the home page of National Digital Library of India. National Digital Library of India is developed by Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, and it is sponsored by Ministry of Human Resource Development. Lots of e-content are available on National Digital Library of India platform, and to access that e-content we need to register, and for that we will go to login. Those who have already registered can enter their email ID, password, retype the text which is given and log in, and those who are new will click on register. This is the registration form. You have to fill all the information which is required by these fields. The most important is your email address. You have to give that email address which is active, because it will be your future login ID for accessing the content of National Digital Library, and you will get the verification link for this registration on this email ID only. After filling the form, you have to click on this checkbox and click on sign up. Once you sign up, you will get the email from NDLI. So check your email box, click on the mail received by NDLI, and whatever link is given, you have to click that link, verification link, and you will get the message that you have successfully registered. So friends, now you are registered, so we can use the e-content of National Digital Library. But in case you do not receive the verification link, then what to do? Again we will go to login. We have to click on this account recovery. Give your email address again and submit. Once you submit, again you will get email. Check your email box, click on that verification link. If you want to change your password, you can do that also, and after that you will get the message that you are successfully registered. Okay, I have already registered. So what we will do, we will go to login, enter your email ID, password, retype the text which is given, and login. It means you can browse the content in text form, video, image, audio, presentation, simulation, application and animation. Click on text. Here you can see that 4.70 crores results are there, and we don't have time to go through all the results. So what we will do, we will narrow down our search. How we can do it? We can use the filters given on this left hand side. Access restrictions. These are the accessibility symbols. Okay, it will help you whether this information is available in open or subscribed or NDLI license or limited or authorized. Here also you can see that it is limited, it is limited, it is subscribed. So what we will do, we will click on open. We want to access only open resources. Then if you know the author, you can select. If you don't know, leave it. Subject category, you can select. Let's select computer science. So all the computer science resources will be available here. So our research has come down to what, 67.58 lakhs. Educational degrees you can select. If you want to select, you select, otherwise leave it. Difficulty level, medium, easy. Let's medium. Educational level. Why you have to select educational level? Because the resources of NDLI is available from KG to PG. So you have to select your educational level. Select UG, PG. File format you can select, in which format you want. Language you can select. Suppose we will select only English. So here you can see the full thesis is available of 323 page.
So in this video, we're going to show you how to connect the power wires from the motor controller to the Arduino and the control wires from the motor controller to the Arduino. So we're connecting the red wire to the voltage in. That's the red wire goes to the VIN. And the black wire is going to go to the...
So friends, this is the video of Khan Academy. You can share it now. We will click on images. We want to search the images from NDLI. Suppose we want to search the image of old building at 210. Wow, interesting.